Hey guys, hi. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I repackage my lashes. Well, not repackage it, so to say, but just label them, calculate my inventories, and most importantly, apply my labels on it. So as you can see, these are the labels that I will be using for my lash boxes, and this is the 1 inches by 2¼ I think actual size. And there are 300 labels here, 10 sheets, glossy clear, that's what you want to get. And the code, the number is 6521. So this wouldn't fit completely on this, but it will fit somewhat. You guys are going to see it in a bit. So the first thing you want to do, and these are the lashes that we have available for sale. We also have some new items. Yes, some lash liners, 2-in-1 lash liners. If you watch my previous video, you would have seen me unbox this inventory. Yes, super cute. So yeah, so we'll be doing those ones. Don't need any labels, so to say. It's good to go as it is. So the first thing I'm going to do is, I think I have so many here, so I'm just going to type in the name of the sheet, 6521, and it's going to bring out so that you're going to see products, and then you're going to see templates, and then help. You want to click templates because we want to create it ourselves. So I'm going to click start designing. I like to do it on the actual page so there are no issues or any stories that touches the heart. So yeah, it's opening. And for the lash styles, I think I did one. I'm going to be using my Dymo label maker. So this is what we have. This is how it's going to look. So this style is called Jolly. It's one of our new styles in our Chill Babe collection. It's really cute. I can't wait for you guys to wear these lashes. And this is what I use for that. And I use the clear label. This is what it's gonna look like. I'll show you guys how to do this later. So but let's focus on this one. I'm gonna click this one. So you're going to see the vertical one or the horizontal, depending on how you want to place it. You can do whatever suits you. So I'm going to go to images. Hopefully I have my logo somewhere. Yes, so this is my logo. I'm just going to select this and increase the size so it's like really big, and then I'm going to type. And for typing, I want it to look exactly like what I have on my lip glosses. I think I've sold out on my lip glosses, so I don't have one now. Add text box, and here I want to type lashes. I can't remember what font I used, but it was a really nice subtle font, nothing too serious. Was it Helvetica new? I'm not sure. Let's see. I'm done with the placement. I think I like the way it is, but before I go ahead and print it on the actual labels, I'm going to print it on like regular paper, which we already have inserted already. So yeah, I like to leave on time, so when next I'm working on this, it's easier for me to find. So I'm just going to click OK and then open PDF, and I'm going to click print. So it's coming out. This is what it looks like. Yeah, so I think it's fine. Yeah, I think it's fine. So for some reason, even though I asked the vendor not to put the lash styles on it, she still did, which is super annoying. So I have to manually like start doing this now. So I've got the knife because if I use my nails I might ruin the box itself. So I'm just gonna open it like so, very gently. And I'm going to take out this one. This one is E10. E10 is Bambi. So yeah, super easy. I'm just gonna. This is what it looks like. So cute. Imagine this in your eyes. Yeah. This is what it looks like. So let me show you how we're going to place it. I'm just going to take this out. What is it? And where's my scissors? Scissors. No, I think I left it outside. So the reason why I went to get my scissors, if you look carefully, there's a sharp line here. I don't know, maybe the line that makes it easier for you to like peel the label off. So I'm just going to cut that part. And oof. This is what it looks like. Yeah. And this style is called Bambi, I think. How did I put it? Okay, so it goes in like this. Put it the wrong way. So that the lash style would show. This style is called, what is the style called again? This style is E10 is Bambi. So I'm just gonna go to my Dymo printer, label maker actually. There was something else I forgot to do. I'm going to show you that in a bit. So it's called Bambi. So Bambi. Like so. And I'm going to click. I hope I spelled it well, yeah. And it comes out here, and this is the clear one, and you just cut. This is what it looks like. One thing I like about this is even if you have nails, all you have to just do is fold this into half. You'd see that they've already made it easy for you to kind of like peel off. So and this is Bambi, so I'm just going to put Bambi right here. And this is what it looks like customized. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the rest of this thing. One thing I forgot to tell you guys is, so for all those like wet shots and whatnot, you need this. So this is a crystal clear acrylic spray. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray this on the labels before proceeding, and that will make it not smear easily. And then secondly, you can take it, even though this is like paper pack, but if it wasn't paper pack and you want to take like some wet shots, you can do that without the ink smearing. So you just basically open it. I'm going to go outside to do this, but this is what it looks like.